Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Locked and Loaded JDM. I'm your host, Jamal, aka J Clay, and this is my 2016 Subaru WRX. And today we're going to be doing the plate delete, the Perrin Plate delete and Perrin relocation kit. So I hope you guys enjoy. So as you guys can see, I kind of already started the plate relocation, but it didn't go so well. So I'm going to try to fix that right now. It is pretty cold outside. I think I should have done this way earlier because I think it got more cold, but especially because the sun's no longer out, but it's all good. But there is one thing for the plate delete. I think I mentioned this in another video. Hopefully I've released it already. The actual dealership I bought my car from, they were pretty idiotic because, as you can see right here, I'll zoom in so you can see a little. So as you can see right here, these are the stock holes for a bumper, or for what you would put here, a additional piece to put a plate on a bumper. For Ontario, this is what you'd use. You just purchase the plate part and just place it here. But the people who who had my car thought it was smart to drill their own holes instead of purchasing something that's very easily purchased at any Canadian Tire or any automotive store, and drill their own holes. So I'm gonna figure out a way to deal with this. Thinking about just getting some red screws to make it look a little bit better until I change this whole front bumper and get a facelifted one, because that's what I really do want. But for now, I'm going to do the plate delete. So the cool thing about this is that initially I thought these inserts weren't working, but then I read the instructions a little bit more, because there was instructions on the back. So rule of thumb: anytime you are installing parts, read the instructions, check the back of the paper as well, and yeah, you'll be just fine. So I realized that you're supposed to take a 3/8 drill and drill out the holes a bit more so that you can fit the insert. So this insert fit. So honestly, it was pretty easy. And now I'm going to put the other piece on. So bear with me. So this is the plate delete, and these are the rest of the tools and the instructions. See? Instructions on the front and the back. So it says to enlarge holes by using a 3/8 drill bit, and then place rubber inserts into the holes. So I placed one in. I'll place another just so you can see. And should just slide right in, and it does. So that's done. So next, step 3 says decide which side of the plate you want showing using the supplied screws, and mount plate to the car. So, and then also step 4 says as you tighten the screws, the rubber inserts will start to compress and start to grab on the backs of the bumper. Simply hand tighten the screws until you feel a good amount of resistance. And just keep in mind, over tightening them can damage inserts. So don't want to damage the inserts. And then after a few days of driving, check that the screws are still tight to ensure it doesn't fall off the car. So which side would be good? This side or this side? This kind of looks cool, but I think the white writing looks really good on mine. I think it suits it well. So I think I'm gonna go with this side. So the screws should be here. There's one screw, and here's a second screw. Got the screws here. So I'll zoom in so you can see exactly everything. So I'm gonna go with this side. I just have a better feeling about it. It's my gut. And just gonna push that in for one. And then, oh, wrong screw. And then for the other. So yeah, just hand tightening these bolts as it's instructed. Now I'm going to get a star screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. I think I'll get a little stubby nubby. This one right here. And I think I'll just screw it in a little bit at a time, each side. There we go. And it is done. Plate delete installed. And yeah, that's it. I think that's all you guys need. It's very simple. Makes the car have a more dignified look, or distinct look. Locked, loaded, love it. So yeah, it's very easy, a very simple mod to the car. Adds like 50 horsepower. But I'm really happy with it. It looks really good. Tell me what you guys think. And if you could hit the like button, subscribe, and put a comment below, I'd be much appreciated, guys. All right, stay tuned till next episode. I'll actually probably put another video of me fixing this plate relocation kit. All right, take care.